Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Tutor. In this video, we'll show you top 5 best Android video players that you should be using. Let's dive in. VLC for Android plays almost every video format, MKV, MP4, AVI, etc. Has built-in subtitles, gesture control, and no ads. Download it from Google Play Store. XPlayer, smooth playback and clean interface, excellent subtitle support, hardware acceleration for better performance. Search for XPlayer on Play Store. KMPlayer, high-definition playback, including 4K and 8K, cloud support, Google Drive, etc. Easy gesture control for volume/brightness. Look up KMPlayer on the Play Store. XPlayer, video player all format, supports almost all formats. Private folder to keep videos safe. Speed control and night mode included. Download XPlayer from Play Store. Nova Video Player, lightweight and open source, great for local and network streaming, DLNA, SMB, etc. No ads, clean experience. Search Nova Video Player. Whether you want smooth playback, subtitle support, or privacy features, there's a perfect video player for you. All these apps are free and available on the Google Play Store. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.